In this video, I'm going to talk about how to protect a worksheet so a user can't delete your formulas or information that you don't want deleted. So we have as an example of an order form, and inside this order form are lots of formulas. If I hit Control-tilde on my keyboard, you can see all the formulas. I have a today function, a VLOOKUP, a workday, if error, and basically other formulas doing calculations throughout the worksheet. So I'll Control-tilde to get back to where we were. And the idea is your user is going to fill out the cells in white, right? Everything in gray is a formula or else information, a lookup table that we don't want deleted. Over here, your user is going to type DH001, for example, and automatically it's going to find the right name, the price, and then your user can type a quantity, and now your formula is going to develop the charge. So I don't want a user to be able to delete these formulas. I need to protect this workbook. Here's the problem. So there are several places to protect. One is under review. You can protect this sheet, or on the home ribbon under format, you can protect the sheet. Both do the same, but what it protects are locked cells, and every cell in Excel is locked. So in other words, if I protect this sheet and hit OK, we're going to let the user select lock cells and select unlock cells, but they won't be able to type in them. And then you can put in a password. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to protect it without a password. So now if I click in a cell and type, it won't let me. But the problem is it won't let me type in any of the cells, because when you protect a sheet, it protects everything that is locked, and all cells are locked. So the question is, how do you unlock the cells that you want the user to be able to type in? I am going to select, just for now, I'll hold down the Control key and grab a few of these. I'll select those cells right there and unlock them. So first I unprotected the sheet. Right here under Format, there's a little locked cell. When it has the square around it, they're locked. If I were to click on it right now, they would be unlocked. And unfortunately, Excel doesn't change that icon to be an open lock. So the only thing is you have to recognize is that square is missing. The other place that you can do it is if you right-click Format Cells, up comes your number, alignment, font, border. The very last tab is Protection. Now, because I unlocked them using the Format button, this is unchecked. They're already unlocked. I'm going to hit OK. If I were to click on any other cell or any group of cells, I right-click Format Cells, we'll see that they are locked because by default, every cell in Excel is locked. Okay, so now I need to select these white cells. I'm holding down the Control key and these white cells. Right-click, Format Cells. I'm going to unlock them. Okay, so now when I go to protect the sheet, boom, I am going to not use a password. Do we want the user to be able to select lock cells? You can say yes or no. They want to be able to select unlock cells, of course. So I'm going to turn that off. And now your cursor can only click on things that are unlocked. If I try to click anywhere else on the spreadsheet, I can't. And then, of course, you can put in a new customer name right here. You can put in a new order right here. I can type in any of these cells. I can put in a new product, BH001. All my formulas still work, but the user can't mess anything up because we've protected the sheet. If you want to make changes, you can unprotect the sheet. A lot of times you have to type in a password, make your changes, and then when you're done, protect it again. This time I'll let them select lock cells so they can click around the sheet, but when they go to type, it won't let them type over anything. The number one mistake students make when we deal with protecting and unprotecting the sheet is forgetting to unlock the cells. So very often in my exams, I'll say, hey, protect this worksheet, but make sure your users can type in certain ranges. And what you need to do is select those ranges, right-click, Format Cells. I'm protected right now, so I can't do it. Right-click, Format Cells, go to the Protection tab, and make sure they were unlocked or that there's no check inside that locked box. Then you know that your user will be able to type in there when you protect the sheet.